dog, I have a question for you ask you. Yeah, who say in your sleep? I had dreams say some man a run down for kill you. And when they do kill you, you wake up out of your sleep, dead. Why first thing you that do? Brother, what kind of fool question that you ask me, brother? I tell you say any man kill me in my sleep and I wake up dead, me I go for them back. Me nah make no man kill me, I get away with the brother, you hear that? I could have able show them in and me search for them, kill them. Kill all of them and done, I want to you. Brother, you look like you nah no sense no brother if you wake up dead. Oh, you go kill back him and them. Boy, oh boy. I tell me no care.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.